Hello and welcome to another episode of MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Let's begin. Which section of the BNS deals with the subject of cruelty by a husband or his relative towards a woman? Section 3, Clause 5, Section 85, Section 34, or Section 498A? The correct answer is option B, Section 85. Recently, in the MM versus State of Maharashtra case, the Bombay High Court held that demand of money from a woman to cohabit with her husband would not amount to mental or physical harassment. Section 85 of BNS deals with the husband or relative of husband of a woman subjecting her to cruelty. Next, what is required for the form of an arbitral award under Section 31 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act? Oral form and recorded, published in newspaper, oral and written form, or written form and signed. The correct answer is option D, written form and signed. Recently, in the healthcare, medical and general stores versus Amulya investment case, the Bombay High Court ruled that service of a signed arbitration award on an unauthorized employee, such as a clerk, does not constitute valid service under Section 31, Clause 5 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996. As per the Section 31 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act, the award must be in written form and signed by the arbitral tribunal members. Next, according to Section 3, Clause 5 of BNS, if a crime is committed by several persons with a common intention, how is liability assigned? Only the leader is liable? Only active participants? All involved are equally liable? Or only those who planned it are liable? The correct answer is option C, all involved are equally liable. Section 3, Clause 5 of BNS states that when a criminal act is done by several persons in furtherance of the common intention of all, each of such persons is liable for that act in the same manner as if it were done by him alone. This provision was earlier covered under Section 34 of IPC. Next, Section 34 2A of the A and C Act specifically provides additional grounds to challenge domestic awards for excessive costs, patent illegality, lack of jurisdiction, or delay in proceedings. The correct answer is option B, patent illegality. Section 34 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 includes both domestic and international commercial arbitration awards with additional grounds for domestic awards under Section 34 2A regarding patent illegality. Next, on partition of a Hindu coercionary property, the person not entitled for a share is an adopted son, a married daughter, an illegitimate son, or widow of a coercionar. The correct answer is option C, an illegitimate son. An illegitimate son is not entitled for a share on partition of Hindu coercionary property. Now it's time for the practice question. Article 39A of the Constitution of India deals with free legal aid, free and compulsory education, free housing to the poor, or free medical aid to the citizen. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.